what do you really love about track?
High jump.
Yeah. Can you tell us more about high jump? Like, what is it, and how do you do in it?
I like it because I get to use my legs and my athleticism to push myself.
Okay. Who are some of your friends that do track with you?
Henry, Judson, I have a lot. Tyson, Abram, um, Xavier, Kieran, Lot.
Yeah. So if someone has never done track before, what would you tell them about it? Like, what to expect?
It's fun. You have to do multiple different warm ups. It is injury prone if you are that kind of person, and it's overall pretty fun.
Okay. Is it hard?
It is hard at times, but you just gotta keep going.
Okay.
So, what do you like about track?
Um, you get to be with your friends.
Okay. What track activities do you like?
I like to do long jump.
Who are some of your friends that do track with you?
Um, Raiden and that's it. Oh, and Kate.
Okay. What is the experience of track like?
Mm, the warm-ups are hard and annoying, but everything else is fun.
If someone has never done track before, how would you tell them about it?
Um, like to run, experience with friends, and yeah.
Okay. Thank you.